Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover what's new in dashboards with the Zurich update. And for that, what's better than starting with creating a new dashboard from scratch? Here, you can see the form to create a new dashboard. We start with the name field, where we give the dashboard a title. The group field allows us to organize dashboards under specific groups. The order defines the sequence in which dashboards appear. We can also restrict access using restrict to roles. Owner sets who controls the dashboard, and we have the active checkbox to enable or disable it. The Disable Multiple Elements selection option controls how users interact with widgets. When checked, users can only select one element at a time, preventing accidental changes to multiple widgets. When unchecked, multiple elements can be selected for bulk actions like move or delete, giving more flexibility. Once we submit the form, we see a related link, View Dashboard. Clicking on it takes us to the classic dashboard view, which looks almost the same as before, with just a few design changes. But since we want to explore the Next Experience UI, we'll switch from here by clicking Switch to Next UI. This converts the dashboard into the new view. Now, we're inside Performance Analytics Experiences. Let's close this window and return to the form. Here, we can see the dashboard we just created, along with the rest of the dashboards. By clicking here, we can easily switch between dashboards. In the main area, we have space to add our first element. Along with that, we see several actions available: Refresh Dashboard, View Dashboard Details, Edit Dashboard, and more actions. Refresh Dashboard. This will reload all widgets and filters on the dashboard. View Dashboard Details. The eye icon gives us the dashboard name here, Zurich, description which is blank, dashboard visibility, scrolling down dashboard category, owner, created by, last updated information, which is system admin here, moving to usage settings, where access restrictions can be applied. Here is it showing not shared yet. Now let's go back and close this. Moving on to Edit Dashboard, here we can make changes to the dashboard. Here, under the element option, we see different choices available. Let me pause for a quick reference of what each of these means. Data visualization, charts, tables, and scorecards built in the Visualization Designer. Filter, for interactive page filters. Image, to add visuals or graphics. List, to display table records. Process mining map, to show process flows. Heading, to add titles or labels. HTML, to embed custom markup. Now moving on, let's select our first element, data visualization. On clicking it, we see two options, New and Saved. First, let's try New. A report appears on the screen, and under Data Source we can select a table. I'll select the incident table. We can also add a custom condition, so here, I'm setting active equals true. Now we see the result, 14 active incidents. Next, let's go back and this time use a saved visualization. From the list, I'll pick percentage of high priority incidents. This adds another report, but in this case, there's no data, and we can also see a warning message on the right side. These visualizations are flexible. We can resize them, duplicate them, and even add them to the library for reuse. And if we don't want it linked, we can also unlink from the library and edit independently. So, those are the basics of adding data visualizations. I'll be planning a separate video to cover all of these new dashboard elements in detail.